This stove is my favorite. I'll be cooking, chefing. And then we have the his and her sinks. So when my husband's ready, I have your sink waiting for you, babe. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ciara here, and if you're new, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And guess what, guys? I have exciting news. I into my new apartment, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a new apartment empty tour. So this is my apartment empty. I still need to move my furniture in, so if you guys want to help, let me know. I want to say thank you to RadPad for helping me with my apartment search. This is the first apartment they found me, and I already fell in love. They were so nice and super patient with me and understood all of my needs, because I am super picky when it comes to living. Guys, this is my first time living on my own, and I had no idea how to go about searching for an apartment. They found me an apartment with a special, so I got 1 month free. They can find you 1 month, 2 months, so they can find you apartments with specials. They give you your own free apartment agent. So I got a free apartment locating agent. She found me a bunch of apartments that were within my budget, and I told her exactly what I wanted. I wanted a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and I told her I didn't want the traditional apartments. I wanted more of the non-traditional because I felt like it would just be more safer for me. So she helped me find everything that I needed. She literally found me apartments within 24 hours. She sent me a list. They let you choose, and guess what? After you sign the lease, they also give you a rebate, so I thought that was really cool. I'll have the link down below if you're looking for an apartment or if you have no idea where to start. They literally take care of you. She scheduled all my tours, and she actually helped me understand like prorating and utility costs and everything. So definitely check out RadPad, and thank you guys for sponsoring this video. Now let's get to the apartment tour. Hey loves, welcome to my new apartment. Come on in. To start the tour off, we're gonna start in the kitchen. This is my favorite place of the whole apartment. Number one, because I eat like 5 times a day. All appliances are new and very nice. This stove is my favorite. I'll be cooking, chefing. You know, you have your standard appliances. This cabinet, if you want to be bougie and show your nice glasses. This is the master bedroom. So it's a pretty good space. I can fit all of my stuff in here, and it has 1 window. I would have liked a little bit more windows. Favorite room of the whole house, the master closet. I'm gonna do like that. It's so spacious, you can walk in it, and there's multiple racks. I can't reach that one, but maybe somebody will do it for me. Cabinet space, it's a lot of cabinet space. I can store a lot of stuff. Maybe a product shelf for all my products. Product junkies know what I mean. Product shelf for my products. And here's the master bathroom. There's a little closet in here for towels. And then we have the his and her sinks. So when my husband's ready, I have your sink waiting for you, babe. And just a standard toilet with a towel closet, or you can put toiletries. And a nice tub where you guys will see me filming my hair videos. This side is going to be the 2nd bedroom. And I'm happy because if you see over there, it's a lot of space. So the 2nd bedroom is on this side of the apartment, and the 1st bedroom is on that side of the apartment. I'll show the 2nd side. There's another closet right here, and it has a room and a dustbin in it, so I'm not gonna show you. Well, I guess I'll show you. So it's just another coat rack. And on this side is the bedroom, this side is the bathroom. And so this is the 2nd bedroom, and it's also very spacious. One thing that I really liked about this apartment is on the plugs. You can if you only have your USB cord, you can still just use your USBs, because I don't know about y'all, but I'm always losing those white blocks that come with my charger. And now for the 2nd closet. Now this one isn't as big as the master closet, but it's still a walk-in, still a lot of space, and I like the shelves, so you can put your shoes on here and on the bottom. I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot of stuff. And now for the second, oh, do y'all hear that? It's echo. Now for the second bathroom. It's the same shower, so it's the same shower. It's just right here in the front of the door. And then over here is a smaller vanity area. And there's your standard cabinets. There's one over here. And that's that part. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's all for my apartment tour video. Please let me know if you would like to see some decorating videos and comment down below where you buy your home decor. Love and blessings, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I don't know where you're going, but you gotta get out of here. Bye guys, thank you for watching.